Granite Ridge Greens. Ken's been working all weekend on a plenum from scrap from that Scotty SS over there. Great big plenum, pretty well that big. I turned all the metal down. I used a block, scabbed it in here, hemmed it over there, made my own fitting here, take off. A reducer from 6" to 5 I had for my grow pipes, and my friend Ryan gave me that piece of pipe that pulled out to 8 feet. Another spin on type of thing. I made the I don't even know what you call it. Squared around, flat ending a duct, whatever you want to call it, butt end. So I made this piece of metal, I hemmed this in, I put a clamp on here to hold this pipe because it's going to be high pressure, and I hope that holds in there. And that's going to feed, put upstairs, rad by front door, glass door in the kitchen, and I believe that's it. Yep, that's it. So rad by front door. That's got to be in the laundry room, so that goes all the way to the laundry room. And this one goes up the kitchen. That's good. So I think we're ready to fire. We're ready to fire the oil furnace and see if it worked. So we're going to set you there. You can watch it fire. I'm going to go up and turn out the thermostat. I'm sweating like a dog here. And it's time to fire and see if this thing works. Good, she fired. Yeah, see that? Right in there. You can actually see it firing. See it firing in there? Good flame front too. Nice. Nice and hot. Anyways, we'll see what happens when the blower kicks in. Get enough heat in there and she should kick up and away we go. know what we're set on here. I can't get that with the camera in my hand. If you want to pop, my fingernails are old there. Just can't pop it anymore. Oh, pop right. Check the specs on this. That came on a little bit early. She is a really hot burner though. Oh yeah, I can feel the hot air traveling through this duct. Right here. This duct right here is already hot. Oh boy, is she ever. And this goes into the other side of the house. Oh yeah. How's the leakage? Not bad for a homemade plenum. I got some air at the bottom here. It's not really tight up against the standing S. But not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I got a little bit of air leakage. I can always lift her back up and stick a little goop under there. That's not bad for a homemade plenum. See, even the top should be caved in, right? That's what they did, so I just continued it. See all the screws I used? That sealed her up pretty good. Sealed her down that edge. See the edge here? These are screws too. That's what we call the spin-on, but that's actually a reducer that I made into a spin-on. Decent. I'm going to go check upstairs and check the flow. We have a working furnace. Look at the size of that compared to that. This is like 10 times more efficient than that old one, and that they're both for sale. This heat exchanger on this one, I don't even think this furnace was hardly used. Mactron 5M Riello. This will burn used oil, like oil from your car. This burner, you put 6 of those filters or bigger, like this guy here, in line. It's got one. It's got a pre-filter there too, but that's the main filter. You put 6 in line or 8. You can run. If you were changing oils in cars or something, you could heat your shop. Look at the heat exchanger. There's a little bit of surface rust, but look, it comes right off. It's in nice shape. Nice shape. You can't really see the side very good, but no rust on this heat exchanger at all. Beautiful. And then this Scotty SS wood stove. It's basically 2 big barrels, one above the other, like a barrel stove. One hooked in unison to the other. One dumping the unburnt gas of wood would heat up and reburn in this second one here, and that's what a barrel stove's all about. Goes in that end, comes around, goes up and in, and then out the flue here. And this used to be hooked up with this oil furnace, both with 8-inch pipe, and now we're down to a 5 with this oil furnace. Oh, this is gonna be great. Okay, let's go have a look. Move around and see what's going on. See how he's doing. Yeah, some heat coming up now. Oh yeah, she's dumping heat. Beautiful. Where's the other one? It's not under that freezer, is it? I don't know. I'm not sure where that other one is. And the last one should be in here. Oh yeah, right there. So she's coming up there too. That's beautiful. I got heat there. Heat in the kitchen. And kick off my shoes because they got crap all over them. Here's the 2-piece bath for the B&B. Okay, let's see what you got. Oh yeah, oh nice and warm, that's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if there's another one. Yeah, there's another one here. Can't get to that one. Oh, that's beautiful. She's moving a lot of CFM. You feel it. Oh yeah. We got pressure. Under pressure. Up we go. Look at my apartment, it's all clean. It wasn't before. It took a week or two to clean out someone else's mess. And another one in the bathroom. Yeah. I don't think anything's hooked to that one. That's that opposite duct. So nothing in the bathroom. Which means nothing in this bedroom, I'd imagine. I don't know if this is hooked. No, I don't feel nothing there. It could be dampered off in the basement though. There's dampers in every pipe. A little bit of air coming there. I bet you this is humming away here. Oh yeah, lots of air up here. We'll have to play with the dampers a bit. We got air. We got heat all over the place. I still gotta fix this balcony out here. How much time we got left? 12 minutes. I knocked all the pieces out there, railing pieces. They're rotted anyway, so I'm replacing that and that. And I can't rent till I do that. I can't lease this place. This is not legal yet. We're getting there. One thing at a time, working now, so don't have a lot of time to do things other than the weekend now. We'll get there. We'll get there. Anyways, we got heat. Might as well shut these curtains. We got heat upstairs. That's beautiful. See the view from the window? What a lovely view. I gotta go close that so the garage so the chicken don't freeze. Lucky the chicken. Nice view from here too, see? Shop and everything. That's a little better. And I brought the bunk bed up. A piece of it. It's a futon double and single bunk bed. Futon bunk bed, I guess they call it. Anyways, there. We got air up here. I bet you I don't need a lot of heat up here. It's just going to rise anyways. I'm going to shut this one down for now. I did a good job with the camera. I'm tired. So that's it, folks. End of the line. Granite Ridge Greens. Peace out. I'm done for the day. It's after 6 o'clock. Now I got to go do the barbecue. Peace out.